Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question, and this question is taken from class 10 chapter 9 some applications of trigonometry, and the 13th number question is, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. So in this question, one lighthouse which is 75-meter high from the sea level is given. So suppose AB is a lighthouse, it is 75-meter high, and there are two ships. Suppose ships are at point C and at point D. So their angles of depression from point B, from the top of this lighthouse, are 30 degree and 45 degree. So the ship which is at point C, its angle of depression will be 30 degree and then it is 45. As the ships are coming closer to the lighthouse, the angle of depression is becoming larger. Okay, see how. So suppose this is first ship is at point C. So this is the ray of sight, and this is horizontal of the eye of the observer. So suppose this is E point. So this angle is 30 degree, right? So this will also be 30 degree because these both are alternate interior angles. So this angle is angle of depression, that is 30 degree given, and for the next that is next ship, the angle of depression is 45 degree. So this is ray of sight and this is horizontal already drawn. So this angle is 45 degree here given. So this angle is also 45 because these are alternate interior angles, right? So this is the distance. CD is the distance between these two ships. We need to find out this CD distance. And something more, it is given that one ship is exactly behind the other. So both they and same side on the lighthouse. So this is lighthouse and both ships are on the same side only. One ship is exactly behind the other also. We need to find out distance between two ships. So CD we need to find out. AB is 75. So it is very simple. I tell you how to find out CD. So we have here, you can see two right angle triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ABC. There are two right angle triangles. Okay. In what we do, in right angled triangle ABC, in right angled triangle ABC, we have the length AB given, and we can find out the length AC by T ratios. With the help of T ratios, we can find out the length AC. Suppose AC is with us now. Now in small right angle triangle ABD, we have the length AB with us, 75 meter. So we can find out AD also with the help of T ratios. Now if I subtract AD from AC, see here, AC minus AD, what will be left? That is a CD. So it means to find the distance between two ships, we need to subtract AD from AC. So AC minus AD is CD. So we will do these two minus and we get the answer, the distance between two ships. So let's write now. So it's written, let in figure AB is equal to 75-meter high lighthouse. C and D are positions of two ships. Angle EBC is equal to angle C because these are alternate interior angles, and this EBC angle is angle of depression. Now again angle EBD is equal to angle D, both are 45 degree because these are also alternate interior angles. Now in right angle triangle ABC, AC over AB, because we need to find out AC. So AC over AB is equal to base over perpendicular, that is cot of the angle 30 degree. Now AC over AB is here 75, right? So is equal to cot 30 is under root 3. Okay. So we will have from here AC is equal to, we can write here, so AC is equal to 75 root 3. This is suppose equation number 1. So in right angle triangle ABD now, in right angled triangle ABD, so we have to find out AD. So AD over AB is equal to cot 45. Okay. So base over perpendicular, that is cot 45, and AD over 75 is equal to cot 45 is 1, that we know. So AD is a 75 meter. Okay, so this is equation number 2. So we have to find out CD. So we'll write distance between ships, that is, we have the length here with us, CD. So CD is AC minus AD, right? AC minus AD. So see here, AC is 75 root 3 minus AD is 75. So from 1 and 2 you can write here, from 1 and 2 we have written this. So 75 is taken common, under root 3 minus 1 meter. So this is the required distance between these two ships. So this way we will solve this question. Thanks for watching.